What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. On today's recess activity, Recess Beer Band is back on the set together with Mark Prin. On Instagram post, one of their co-workmates shared on Instagram their cute photo while on the set. All of them are look so cute while making some funny faces like a big smiles and wacky. Yesterday, Rosette's beer band was also posted on Instagram, a beautiful photo of her, and she captioned it, "Man, I love my brows tight like this," which means she loves her hair and makeup by Anderson and GC Ref. As you can see, Rosette's beer band her looked so pretty yesterday for her new upcoming endorsement. Then my couple was together again yesterday, and a deck was spotted buying some snacks for his girlfriend and his mother-in-law. And it looked so sweet that the deck was making time for his girlfriend, even if he was also busy making some taping and recordings.